Welcome back to Grammar Minute, your go-to spot for spending a few minutes and learning essential grammar. Today we're going to learn about quantifiers in English grammar with a special focus on some and any. Are you ready? Let's go.
Do you have any money left? I need some help with this task. We don't have any milk in the fridge. Would you like some coffee? There isn't any water in the bottle. Could you lend me some sugar? Do you know any good restaurants nearby? I bought some flowers for the table. She didn't have any idea what to do next. He gave me some advice on how to improve. We don't have any more questions. Do you want some ice cream? She brought some books to read on the trip. We didn't find any evidence to support the claim. Are there any cookies left in the jar? He doesn't have any friends in the city. Can you give me some information about the course? I didn't see any reason to worry. They didn't have any choice but to leave. I have some free time this afternoon. Did you bring any food for the picnic? She doesn't want any dessert after dinner. There is some bread on the counter. I need to buy some vegetables for dinner. Do you have any questions about the project?
How's your score? Feeling proud of yourself? Well done! Here's the tip for you if you still have some problems. Take a good look at this simple guide and you'll have no problem using it next time. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grammar Minute. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.